In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set board permissions in Trello so you can control who can view, comment, and make changes to your board. Whether you're managing a team project, working with clients, or organizing personal tasks, understanding Trello's permission settings is essential to keeping everything secure and organized. I'll walk you through each step, from opening the board settings to adjusting visibility and member roles. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple, practical Trello tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Trello and navigate to the board where you want to change permissions. Once you're inside the board, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a three-dot menu icon. Click on those three dots to open the board menu. This menu gives you access to important board options and settings. From the board menu, click on Settings. This is where all the main configuration options for your board are located. Inside the Settings panel, you'll see a section labeled Permissions. This is the area we'll focus on. The first important option is Board Visibility. Here, you can choose whether your board is private, workspace visible, or public. If you select Private, only members who are added to the board can see it. This is ideal for sensitive projects or internal planning. If you choose Workspace Visible, anyone in your Trello workspace can view the board, but they won't necessarily be able to make changes unless you give them access. If you select Public, anyone on the internet with the link can view the board. Keep in mind that public boards are visible to everyone, so use this option carefully. Next, let's talk about commenting and editing permissions. Depending on your Trello plan and workspace settings, you may see options that control who can comment on cards or interact with the board. You can limit actions so that only board members can comment or edit, which helps prevent unwanted changes. Now let's look at managing board members. Go back to the board menu and click on Members. From here, you can invite new members by entering their email address or Trello username. When adding someone, you can assign them a role. The main roles are Admin, Normal Member, and Observer. Board admins have full control. They can change settings, manage permissions, add or remove members, and modify the board structure. Normal members can create and edit cards, lists, and other board content depending on permissions. Observers, which are available on certain Trello plans, can view the board and comment on cards, but cannot make structural changes. This is perfect for clients or stakeholders who need visibility without editing access. If you want to change someone's role, simply open the members list, click on their name, and adjust their role from the drop-down menu. You can also remove members entirely if they no longer need access. As a best practice, regularly review your board permissions to ensure only the right people have access. This is especially important when projects end or team members change. And that's it. You now know how to set board permissions in Trello, adjust visibility settings, manage member roles, and keep your board secure and organized. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.